What's up mga kulirat? And today's vlog is let us see how my son swipe the floor. Tignan nyo naman, kahit walang wawalisin, sige pa rin ang sige. Tignan nyo, nag-i-enjoy siya guys. Habang bata pa, turuan natin ng mabuting asal at mabuting gawain. Tignan nyo naman, nag-enjoy siya. Let's teach them while they're young. Playing is the shortest routine between children and their creative calling. Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he has born in another time. At this moment, hinahayaan ko na lang siya maglaro. Kasi ito rin ang stepping stone niya para matuto siya for his great responsibility someday. At sa lahat po na umabot dito sa aking vlog, salamat po ng marami sa inyo. Saludo po ako sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli guys. Paalam!